Hello and welcome to my short tutorial on how to create a quick and easy sky and some foliage using watercolor. This is a great exercise for anybody who wants to learn and keep up with practicing this medium. I am going to start off with a wet and wet wash. For anybody who is new to watercolors, wet and wet wash is a technique where I wet the paper first with some clean water and a brush, and then I am going to add in some paint while the paper is still wet. So here I'm going to use cerulean blue. You can also use ultramarine blue if cerulean blue is not readily available. So here you can see that I have filled the whole area with blue and it's a flat wash. Now before this wash dries, I'm going to do a few splatters with a clean wet brush. You can see how the pigment moves when the water drops falls on it. It creates a beautiful soft feathered texture, and this is exactly what we're looking for. After this, I'm going to leave this to dry completely so I can work on the next layer. I am going to paint in some foliage for this layer. For this, I'm going to use Payne's Grey. It is a neutral tint, so you may definitely have it in your palette, but with a different name. Every brand has a different name for this pigment. You are also welcome to use any other color that you think will look good on this. This is your painting, so you get to decide how it looks. Now I'm using a size 6 round brush, and you can see I'm only using the tip of the brush for painting in the branches, so I can get a nice clean line with it. And for the leaves, I'm actually putting the brush down on the paper, so the whole body of the brush touches the paper to create the leaf shape. Continue painting in leaves and branches until you are happy with your illustration. Now to finish off, I'm going to do some splatters. For this, I'm going to load the brush with some paint, and with the other hand I'm going to tap the brush over the painting, and you can see a few splatters of paint falling on the painting. Another way of doing it is to flick the end of the brush. It will create a different effect. And with this, our easy sky and foliage painting is complete. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.